Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Desi, and today we are going to jump right into a Ulta unboxing video, specifically the Ulta Beauty Fragrance Minis. I just want to do a cool unboxing video and just kind of maybe my first impressions. Let's see how this goes. Last week's video was the fall thrift haul that I was able to put together between Goodwill and Plato's Closet. If you haven't seen that video, I found some great finds for this transitional weather because, you know, climate change and things aren't folding and turning over as soon or as quick as we have thought. But I have a cool little video on that, and I'll have that linked up here as well as in the description box. Found some cute little finds, you know, try on haul. Check that out. First, I want to start off with the Holiday Fragrance Minis, and this is what they're looking like. This has the Clean Classic Spring Breeze, the Dolce & Gabbana Devotion Perfume, Ellis Brooklyn, the Myth Scent, Estee Lauder, Valentino, Versace, and Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. I have smelled the Versace, the Valentino, and maybe the Black Opium, but I haven't smelled the others, so let's see how this goes. This is really challenging, not trying to open this before getting on camera because, you know, so this is going to be first impressions as well as far as the stuff I haven't smelled. And these are the actual mini bottles, not the sample size. Let's see how this smells. Some of the top notes are candied citrus, orange blossom, and vanilla. When it comes to fragrance, I think I lean more on the floral stuff and light and fresh. But as of recently, I've been leaning into a bit of vanillas or maybe amber, more of the warm scents. So let's give a first scent. Let's see. Okay, it's not any spray. It's a lot of people are collecting them, and I don't know if I need the whole collection, but this is a cute bottle. Kind of nice. Initially, I do smell the citrus for sure as the top note. I'm not aware of what orange blossom smells like, but I do smell the vanilla quite second. That's really pleasant. It's not overwhelming. It's not too floral. If that's the blossom, it's giving citrus cookie vibe, and I like it. I would totally wear this either seasons. I think it can go for fall paired with other stuff. If you're into layering your perfume scents, let's try another one. Okay, this is the Clean Classic Spring Breeze of Zetzi, Bergamot, Tonic Green Apple, Jasmine, Lily, and Lavender. Subtle breeze carries a hint of orange blossom, followed by a touch of earthy sandalwood. Roller on. I'll just pick another part of my arm. Oh, wow, that's kind of nice. I definitely smell the lily initially. So if you're not into florals, it's definitely on the floral side. I can smell the lily for sure. Hint of citrus. Very clean, very light. Good for probably every day. All right, next we have the Black Opium of Yves Saint Laurent. This was another mini. Oh my gosh, the bottle is so cute. It kind of matches my outfit. This is what it looks like. It's a see-through bottle. Opening notes of rich coffee, sweet vanilla, and floral. So this might be like, I would consider one of my fall or wintry scents. It's more floral and vanilla for me. I don't really smell the coffee, but it's definitely have a thicker floral, not as light. It's definitely like a heavier scent to me. I don't think you really, I mean, you can layer however you layer stuff how you want, but not necessarily up my alley, but it's not bad, but more on the mature side for me. Strong scent of floral and vanilla, then like, I don't know if I really smell the hints of coffee. All right, next we have out of the Holiday Fragrance Minis, Sambac Jasmine, Vanilla Bourbon. Oh my God, it's so cute. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I like it. I like it, I like it. The jasmine is there. That's nice. It's giving powdery jasmine and a hint of vanilla. It's a good jasmine. I guess the Sambac Jasmine must be a different scent than I'm used to, but I can tell there's a difference, if that makes any sense. Is this going okay? Do I know what I'm talking about? I think I'm realizing I'm not a big fan of Lily, like the biggest fan. I appreciate it. I can tolerate it, but it's definitely that floral, like more mature smell, but it's like the after scent, something really beautiful about that I like. So I think as the day goes on and you wear this, it gets to a really good spot. So I'm not gonna necessarily knock it all the way out. All right, let's see what's next. Which one did I grab? Oh, Versace, we going with the V's. Fresh, vibrant, flowery scent. This might be up my alley. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I get the hype. I get the hype. They're so, like, mini stuff is cute. They're collectible. And it's a great way to get a sample of stuff. You're not committing to $100+ bottle. Definitely bright. Fresh and clean. Fresh and vibrant flowery scent. Exactly that. I don't know what type of flower. I think it'll be good paired with citrus, and even, I don't know if you need vanilla, but I wouldn't go with a musky. It might be kind of freaky with a musky though, like a something else. Maybe we'll experiment in another video, but top first impressions, fresh, bright, and flowery as is stated, and you can definitely layer it up or keep it as is. So, all right, next we have the Estee Lauder Beautiful Magnolia. Signature of Lush Magnolia Solar Gardenia in Woods. I'm a fan of Gardenia, and I don't know if I know Magnolia, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah. Oh, this one actually is a spray. Okay. Oh, that's pleasant. Okay. Downloading information. What is this? I like that a lot. I can definitely smell the floral. It may be the magnolia because I'm kind of familiar with the gardenia, and the slight musk, but it's overall more floral than musky. Very lightweight, refreshing. I would wear it more like summer or spring, maybe winter if you can pair it up with something cool. Okay, the last one out of the holidays minis set from Ulta Beauty, the Ellis Brooklyn Myth. So the Myth scent. Let's see what that's about. The top notes are bergamot, ambrette seeds, and cassis. The mid notes are tiger orchard, pink lotus, jasmine petals. The dry are patchouli, liquid musk, and white cedarwood. So this might be our musky of the muskiest. Okay, Myth, it's kind of on brand with my vibe today. Oh, this is a roller on. The data is in. First thing I smell is powder, but I like it. It's giving like bar soap in a luxurious bar soap. It's the white cedarwood for sure. I'm not too familiar with ambrette seeds and like the other scents, but it's not bad. Definitely powdery, light musk, not as floral as I would think. I'm just not too familiar with those floral scents, but I do like that. Definitely for fall and winter. Out of this kit, which one would I say is my complete favorite? I don't know. I would say the one that caught me by the most surprise was the Estee Lauder Beautiful Magnolia. Very bright and fresh, and I felt like I could wear that all the time. The Dolce & Gabbana was really up my alley, so I felt more familiar. If there was one to buy, I'll probably do that one or the Estee Lauder, honestly. But I know there's some people in my friend group, or even my mom or my cousin, would probably appreciate some of these scents, or I think would complement their body chemistry. I think you get a good range in this 7-piece sampler kit for sure. Hands down, the Holiday Fragrance Minis by Ulta. I would recommend this one all the way. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. This is a little different. I do love fragrance. I do like a bit of beauty stuff. So if you want to check out some of my other videos, I had a Ulta sale from last year. Check that out. Some of my favorite beauty stuff that I still use to this day, and my Sephora adventures from last year. So if that's up there, I got a little beauty playlist too. You know, check it out, see what you think. But it's been real. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know if you have a favorite fragrance that you have, or one that you would like to try. Let me know what you think. And if any of the samples that weren't listed that you do like or recommend, let me know as well. I would love to check them out and give them a little sniff. All right, guys, y'all take care of yourself. Have a good rest of your week. Peace.